guys, let's talk about something that's lingering in American homes that we don't realize is the most toxic substance there: dryer sheets. So, what's the point of a dryer sheet? Well, some people like to use them to keep their clothes from being staticky, but other than that, they're really non essential and are just a moneymaker for the laundry industry, anyhow. They also coat our clothes in strong fragrances, which, if you watched any of our other videos, you know why that's bad, so I won't get into it right now. They're also known to cause healthy people to develop asthma. Look at EWG.org, they talk about it in multiple articles. And 1 in 10 children already suffer from asthma, so why are we exposing them to this? And why would we take that chance with our otherwise healthy children? So, if those chemicals are getting onto our clothes and into our air, do we really think that's a good idea? Not so much. But what can we do to get rid of them that's easy and simple? What we like to use is wool dryer balls. You can find these everywhere. Amazon has them. I saw them in Walmart today while we were grocery shopping. They're all over the place. The great thing about these is they're cost effective. You use them over and over again. They do reduce static just like the dryer sheets are supposed to, and there's no chemicals. The best part is you get to choose what they smell like by choosing whatever essential oil you want to put on them. So you just take it and drip it on. In my case, tap it because my bottle's running out. But you get those drops on there, toss them in your dryer, turn that dryer on, and you're good to go. They'll last you a good few loads. You can load it back up with whatever oil you want. I like to use lavender and stress away on our sheets to help us relax to sleep. Thieves on our laundry if we've been sick or if we know we've been out, like right now in flu season, then that helps keep our clothes purified. Lemon gives it a nice uplifting scent, or in this case cinnamon, just to give it that little spicy kick because I like it. So I hope that was helpful for you guys, and we'll see you next week.